Hello, good morning. My name is Eda. I'm here to present for you the findings I got from the Tata Group sales performance for 2011. My name is Eda Nyango, and I hope you are ready for the presentation. Okay, the background of the project is, who is Tata Group? Why are we doing this presentation? So Tata Group is an online retail store that want us to provide insights that will be valuable to the CEO and the CMO of the business. What they want to know is what is the major contributing factors are there for the revenue, so that they can strategically plan for the next year. Also, they want to expand the business, and they are interested in seeking guidance in the areas that are performing well, so that they can be able to keep clear focus on what is working, what is doing well, for them to be able to improve on that. Also, they want to know the metrics or the demographic information that are available in the data. So what did we do with the data? First, after I was given the data, I was able to clean it. By cleaning it, I was able to remove, I made sure the quantity of the product, the minimum quantity is 1, and also I made sure the unit prices was not below 0, and I managed to remove the null values from the data itself. After doing that, I started to review the data, and this is what I got. The monthly review of the sales for 2011 was like this. You see, 3rd January, it's a bit 0.5 million by revenue. Then it fluctuates throughout, but when it reaches August, it started to rise steadily. September it rise, October it was risen, on November, that is during the spring, the autumn season, it was the highest. Then it went down in December. So from the data itself, we are shown that during the autumn season, it's when their revenue is upward, and it peaks in November. Then we checked on the top countries and their revenue. So they wanted to know the top countries without including UK. So from the top countries, we are seeing Netherlands being the highest, then followed by Air, then by Germany. Those are the top 3 highest producing countries by revenue. Then even by quantity, when you look, you see Netherlands is high, then followed by Ireland, then Germany, followed then closely by France. So those are the top 3 countries that they can be able to invest in or improve, so that they can improve on their sales. Then they wanted to know also the customers that buys from them and their revenue. So from the customer, there is this customer with the customer ID 14646. This is the highest spending customer in this season of 2011, and the customer spent 280,206, followed closely by customer ID 18102 with 259,657, then 17450 with 194,451. So those are the top customers with their revenue. So when they want to know what works best, why is this customer 146, they can be able to follow up with him or her, so that they can be able to know what they are doing good, so that they can be able to continue with their services, offering their services to this customer. So we wanted to know the revenue of each county, with each country, and the quantity. So the top countries with revenue we found that is Netherlands. Netherlands by quantity, they have gotten 293,937 products. That is by quantity. By revenue, they have 295,446. So Netherlands, both by quantity and revenue, they are the highest, followed by air, which with a quantity of 140,525, by revenue of 265,5556,000, followed closely by Germany, then by France. So the insight from what I got from this was that the month of November has the highest sales, followed by October. This means that the business that is doing well during the autumn season, so if they want to do any merchandise addition or they want to add more products, this is the season to do that. And the top countries other than UK in revenue is Netherlands, Airs, and Germany. So if they want to add more shops, or they want to have more stocks to improve, more countries, to enlarge more in any country, they should start with these three. Top customers by revenue was this, by this, respectively. So from this information, we are seeing that we have answered the questions that they wanted to talk about. Okay, they wanted to know the countries they can be able to move, to continue with their addition of their product. These are the top 3 countries. The month that they're able to, the season where the information is the business is doing so well, so they can be able to know what to do, is the autumn season. So with that was my findings and my recommendations, my insights from that. So if you have any questions, you can ask. And if there is no further questions, I want to say thank you for your time.